Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Bitcoin prediction and how I was able to beat the market. Well, as you know, Bitcoin have been making some potential uptrend move, a current short-term bearish move, and many traders are trying really hard to predict where the market is going to go next. Well, I'm here to share with you how I made a successful prediction on Bitcoin and how I was able to profit from it. So without further ado, let's get started into the video. So this is Bitcoin. And before I'll start off, I'll say this is no financial advice. This is just me sharing my experience as a trader and how I'm able to make profit from it. Yeah. So this is a 4 minutes time frame. So I use technical analysis to analyze everything I do on this chart. I analyze technically. So how I analyze, I start from the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame is where you see the market in its original perspective, like where the market is going to go to. This is where you're going to see it. You're going to overview the market from a very large space. So I always recommend traders to do what we call multi time frame analysis. So yeah, so you can see it that okay, Bitcoin was moving up, and then it came down. Market came in and market couldn't break this high. So you can see multiple weak rejection here. You can see this multiple weak rejection here. Market couldn't break this high, as you can see. So you can see multiple weak rejection, and then a bearish weekly engulfing candle, which is to show that oh, this is a very strong bearish sign. So these are things you see, very obvious things you see, confluences you see, chart patterns and candlestick pattern that will tell you the market direction. So you shouldn't rush into the market without knowing the market direction. You allow the market tell you, here guys, this is where I'm going to go to, and based on this what happened, this is what I saw, and then I'm going to move this direction. And you move with the market. You don't move when you think, you move with the market, with things you're going to see in the market. So after this, I come on weekly time frame to draw my zones, and then if you look if you look closely on this chart, if you look closely on this chart, you see that on a weekly time frame, market had this very bullish engulfing candle that took at this high and took at this high. So what does this tell you? This tells me that this is a change in market structure, a break in market structure, and this is an uptrend because I'm seeing some series of higher high and higher low and a higher high. So I'm expecting a higher low and then a higher high. So I've already mapped out this zone, expecting market to come here. So I go on daily time frame to view the market from the daily time frame, and it tells me where where the market is going to move. Most people just view the market from most people just view the market only from 15 minutes time frame, and it's very risky for you as a trader. So this is where the whole magic happens. This is where the whole magic happens. So I analyze this and I also posted, I guess I posted this idea on my trading view, which is, if I could look well, yeah. So this is it. I analyze it on my trading view. So I guess is this around this price here. So yeah, thank you trading view. So it was around this price zone that I analyzed that the market was going to drop from here down to this white line. So now let me show you things I saw and how I was able to make profit from this market while it was going down there. I'm not a swing trader, I'm a day trader that analyze from a higher time frame and enter in a smaller time frame. Yeah. So I go to a 3 hours time frame. Yeah. So let me clear this. Let me clear this up so that yeah, so I try to look more interesting. So it all started from here. It all started from here. If you go to the daily, you got to see that the whole sorry for my network being slow though. Um so it all started from here, which is more or less 24th February. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, the network is kind of slow down here. So I expected the market to move, come up here, and then short down to this zone. And then this is what the market came down, took out liquidity like I expected, and then shorts. So this was where I took my trade. And I'm going to share with you how I took this trade and why I took this trade. So if we go down to 15 minutes, if we go down to 15 minutes, yeah. So let's shrink it a little bit. Yeah. I don't know why the network is being shitty, but yeah, it's all cool. So basically, when the market came down to this zone, I traded the market from here because I predicted the market around here, and then I traded the market up here. So here is where I traded the market up. Yeah, so here is a photo of when I traded the market up into that pink zone, and then here is the before version. So I analyzed, I saw opportunity of the market going to head up, so I traded it. So I traded the market up here and it came down. I was expecting the market to come up here, for the market took some liquidity. I traded the market from here, from this very zone. Traded the market from this very zone. Traded it down here. I think I had a screenshot also of that. I think so here. Yeah, that is it. I took it. I took that trade. So I made a lot of money from this prediction. I know you guys will be wondering what strategy I use. Well, in the forthcoming videos, I'll actually tell you guys the strategy I use, and I'll explain in details how you can also use the strategy and make money of any chart at all, whether it's the stock market or the crypto market or it's the forex market or commodity market. Once you just know the principle, you understand the psychology, boom, you're ready to make money. So I took it down here and then I analyzed. I came here, I got an opportunity before the market. Here is one principle you must know: before the market make any impulsive move, before the market makes any impulsive move, there must be a major liquidity grab. Mark this statement: before a market makes any impulsive move, there must be a liquidity grab. So what you should be looking at, you should be looking at like where are these where are these other traders keeping their stop loss? What are they thinking? So you shouldn't think like a normal trader now. You should think outside the box. You should just observe, like you're in a story building and you're seeing these traders trading. So you ask yourself, where are they keeping their stop loss? So if you look at this, you think most traders will be coming here and be keeping their stop losses up here. Most traders will come here and keep their stop loss up here and short the market. You all know. So when the market came here, the market gave a sign that it was going to go down, and then you see most traders jump into the market. Yeah, you see more traders drop into the market and keep their stop loss up here. What did the market do? The market came and cleared all these stop losses. This is called liquidity grab. So when market made all this liquidity grab, yes, that was when I said yes, it's time for me to take this trade. I said yeah, it's time for me to take this trade. Then I started looking for setup. Then I saw a major break in structure. Yeah, so I saw this little break in market structure. After this break, I saw a market structure. I said okay. I went to smaller time frame. Then I took an entry from this other block I saw here. So this was where I took my trade, and I see that okay, that the market is going to come down all the way to this zone. I see that the market is going to come down all the way to this zone. I did not use any magic. I did not do anything. What did I do? I obeyed some set of principles. I obeyed some set of principles. I used proper risk management. So here is me analyzing it. So this is a buy side liquidity, and as you know as well, most traders will be keeping their stop losses up here. So the market came and cleared their stop loss as well. Then it was here I started looking for an opportunity to sell, and then here is me shorting the market afterwards. And I targeted Bitcoin to get down to 22,900. Yeah, and if you look at it, Bitcoin is currently at 22,400. So Bitcoin dropped down to 22,200, and now it's at 22,900. So that is all. This is how I actually predicted the market. Predicted the market is going to dump, and it went directly. So you might be wondering how I came out with this crazy analysis. Well, I've been trading I've been trading forex for years, and I also analyze crypto. I share crypto signals to my friends, analyze and share my charts to people on my trading view. So the guys follow me on trading view. I'll be active on trading view. I just decided to move down to YouTube. So I share my analysis with people on trading view, and I also share my analysis with my Twitter followers. So if you really care about content like this, I think you should follow me on Twitter, where I share my analysis every day, or every opportunity I see in the market. I share my analysis there. So since you made it to the end of this video, I'm going to do you a bonus of telling you where I think the market will go next from here. So based on what we have seen, we'll move down to the daily time frame. Then let's just analyze the market from here. You know what they call the double top, or the M pattern, when the market make a move like this. So when the market makes a move like this, you bear with me that you don't just expect the market to stop halfway. You don't just expect the market to stop halfway. Where the market is going to come back to? The market is going to come back to this baseline. And as Bitcoin won't stop here. Bitcoin will take out this low, because a lot of traders are already buying this pair, and a lot of stop losses are going to be below this. So this is my region of interest. I'm expecting Bitcoin to drop all the way down here. I'm expecting Bitcoin to drop all the way down into this box. Then I'll be looking for some confirmation to know if it's going to go back up or it's going to come down. But from what I'm seeing, I think it's going to come down here. From here, it will swing up and break this structure. So we work with what we see and not what we think. So right now, what I'm seeing is that Bitcoin is still going to consolidate, and then able to gather liquidity that is going to push it down to into this box. which is let me say 21,200 and 2,600. Yeah, so I'm expecting Bitcoin to also come back here and drop down to this zone, and then after that I'll be looking for some aftermath. That'll be telling me if, oh yeah, here are some things I'm seeing that's going to make the market to drop or the market is going to rise. Without these things, I'm not going to move an inch. So here is my prediction on Bitcoin. I'm expecting the market to come down here. Let me increase this chart so that you guys can see. Yeah, so I'm expecting the market to, you know, I'm expecting the market to come down here and go up. So that is my prediction on Bitcoin. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give a thumbs up and write down your thoughts in the comment section what you think Bitcoin will do, and if you want me to do analysis on any other pair, you should write that pair down and say do an analysis on so pair. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like to see more of this. Thank you. I'm Trader NX and see you on the next video.